Most gardeners have it backwards. We focus on feeding our plants, not our soil. We see a weak plant and reach for fertilizer, hoping for a quick fix. The result? A temporary boost, but the underlying problem remains. By constantly feeding plants, we neglect the soil, turning it into a lifeless medium instead of a thriving ecosystem. This cycle creates dependency, making our gardens fragile and high maintenance. The real secret: plant health mirrors soil health. When we feed the soil, not just the plant, we address the root cause of problems and unlock nature's own system for resilience. Let's become soil stewards, working with nature, not against it. By nurturing the soil, we build a garden that grows stronger and more beautiful every season. Every fertilizer bag shouts NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. These are important, but they're only part of the story. Plants also need calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and a host of micronutrients like iron and zinc. Relying on NPK alone is like building a house with just bricks and nails, missing the wiring and windows. Synthetic fertilizers force-feed plants, causing rapid, unbalanced growth and making them more vulnerable to pests. Nature's way is slower and steadier, with soil biology regulating nutrient delivery. When we treat soil as a living system, not just a placeholder, we create healthier, more resilient plants. Feed the soil, not just the numbers on the bag. Paradoxically, synthetic fertilizers can cause nutrient deficiencies over time. Chemical salts harm beneficial soil microbes, breaking the natural nutrient cycle. Without microbes, nutrients stay locked in the soil, unavailable to plants. Overuse of one nutrient can block others, creating new deficiencies. The result? A cycle of dependency and confusion, with plants growing weaker and more disease-prone. Repeated chemical use degrades soil structure and life, turning gardens into patients needing constant care. True health comes from supporting the living soil, not bypassing it. Healthy soil is alive, a bustling metropolis of bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, arthropods, and earthworms. Bacteria and fungi break down organic matter, locking up nutrients. Predators like protozoa and nematodes eat these microbes, releasing nutrients in plant-available forms. Arthropods and earthworms shred and mix organic matter, improving soil structure and fertility. Every organism plays a vital role in this web, making soil fertility a biological, not just chemical, property. Synthetic fertilizers disrupt this system, harming the very life that sustains plants. Our job as gardeners is to support this food web, not replace it. When we farm microbes, we create a self-sustaining engine of fertility. The more diverse and abundant the soil life, the healthier our plants. Feed the web, and the web feeds your garden. That's the real secret to thriving plants. Plants and soil microbes are partners, not strangers. Through their roots, plants release exudates, liquid carbon that feeds specific microbes. These microbes, in turn, unlock nutrients the plant needs, right when it needs them. Mycorrhizal fungi extend the plant's reach, mining for hard-to-get minerals like phosphorus and zinc. In exchange, the plant provides sugars. This system delivers a complete, balanced diet, on demand. Plants grown in living soil rarely show deficiencies. They grow at a natural pace, with strong tissues and built-in resilience. Chemical fertilizers can't match this intelligent, self-regulating partnership. Feed the microbes, and they'll feed your plants. That's nature's way. Earthworms are the garden's engineers and a sign of healthy soil. Their tunnels improve aeration and drainage, helping roots and microbes thrive. Earthworms mix organic matter and minerals, creating a rich, crumbly soil structure. Their castings are packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes, far beyond simple NPK. A thriving earthworm population means your soil is alive and chemical-free. Protecting earthworms is key to building lasting fertility. When you see them, you know your ecosystem is working. Cherish these unseen helpers. They're your best partners underground. Feeding the soil transforms your garden over time. Plants become stronger, more pest and disease resistant, and need fewer interventions. Soil grows darker, richer, and holds water better, reducing the need for constant watering. Life returns, earthworms, beetles, and microbes all working together. Sustainable gardening isn't about swapping products. It's about building a self-sustaining ecosystem. You'll spend less time fighting problems and more time enjoying abundance. Your garden becomes less work, more joy. You're not just growing plants, you're conducting a living symphony. This is the legacy of healthy soil. Building healthy soil is simple. No fancy products required. First, add organic matter regularly. Compost is the best fuel for soil life. Use a mix of green and brown materials for a balanced, microbe-rich compost. Second, always keep soil covered with mulch, wood chips, straw, leaves, or compost. Mulch protects, suppresses weeds, and feeds surface organisms as it breaks down. Third, disturb the soil as little as possible. No-dig methods preserve delicate soil life and structure. Plant by pulling back mulch, making a small hole, and replacing the cover. Top dress with compost and let earthworms do the rest. Finally, embrace diversity. Grow a wide range of plants and use varied organic inputs. Diverse roots and compost support a wider range of microbes and beneficial insects. These 4 habits – add compost, mulch, minimize disturbance, and diversify – build thriving, resilient soil. Feed the soil, and the soil will feed your garden. That's the path to abundance. Feeding the soil is an investment that pays off for years. Each layer of compost and mulch builds soil capital, nutrients and life that support your garden's future. Match organic matter to your plants. Green materials for annuals, woody mulch for perennials. Observe and adjust, cultivating the right microbes for each part of your garden. You become a steward of ecosystems, not just a grower of plants. Look beyond the leaves. Ask, how can I feed the life in this soil? Trust the process, trust the worms and microbes. They're the true gardeners. Nourish them, and your garden will thrive in ways no fertilizer ever could.